Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I want to share how you can make red lentil cream easily at home. This red lentil cream is made up of 100% natural ingredients. To prepare this home remedy, you need red lentils, 2 to 3 tablespoons of red lentils, soak it in rose water or only fresh water. Keep it overnight. Once they are soaked, they will look like this. Now put the soaked lentils along with the water into the blender or a grinder. You can see that my red lentil paste is ready now. And the consistency of this paste should be little runny and should be smooth and lump free. Now you have to strain this red lentil paste with the help of strainer. After taking out the red lentil paste, now let's see how to prepare the cream easily at home. So to prepare this cream, you need a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of red lentil paste. After that, add 2 to 3 drops of glycerin, few drops of olive oil, and at last aloe vera gel from Patanjali. Now mix it well. Now the red lentil cream is ready. Store it in the airtight container in room temperature for 10 to 20 days. This red lentil cream is 100% natural and effective in lightening and whitening your skin complexion. Now how to use it? You just need to take little amount of cream and massage in circular motion for 30 to 35 seconds and just leave it overnight that this cream completely absorbs the skin. For the best result, you should apply this cream regular for 10 to 20 days, then you can see the difference. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update. And then bye.